Sea moss is good for the skin. It provides natural collagen. It's also good for the thyroid as it contains iodine. Good for the bones, joints, muscles, and ligaments. Like many other seaweeds, sea moss is high in minerals and amino acids. We're gonna make some quick and easy sea moss. We're gonna start by boiling some water. Once your water is boiling, add your sea moss to the pot. I'm gonna mix it in to make sure everything's incorporated in the water. As it starts to boil, mix it in evenly. Make sure everything is incorporated in the water and your sea moss will start to melt. All right, it's just been over 3 minutes and it's done. Just gonna stir it in, make sure it's incorporated well, and I'm gonna get my mason jar and pour it in. All right, we gotta be very careful at this part because this is super hot. So I'm gonna slowly go with a spoon here and start to scoop some of the sea moss inside the jar. And once we got some of the longer dreadlocks in the jar, we can just go ahead and pour it in, slowly and carefully. Which brings us to our next and final step. Got our hot jar of boiled sea moss, and we're gonna go in with the immersion blender and blend it up all smooth. And about 2 minutes later, it looks like this. This is what it looks like on the next day after we've eaten some. And that's all there is to it. You can even get it in capsule form at drsabies.com.